Slow down, slow down. Slow down so we could see them.
Hello, 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 hello. Why did the bunny go backwards? I want to stop.
Stop it.
Just take a picture.
No, I'm not taking. You stop them in their house.
Here?
Yeah, they're going home now.
Okay, might go a little slow.
You're going backward then.
It's slow. I'm gonna go slow because it's not gonna.
A little picture. You're going home now. See you soon. Bye.
Stop.
Okay, that's your house. Go there now. Say something. We're going now.
Bye bye. See you next week. And dumping them. Oh, that's